Hey everyone, my name is Joanne Smith and welcome to Joanne's Corner. In today's tutorial, I want to make banana bread. This is an easy recipe. First off, we're going to start with 3 to 4 ripe bananas and they need to be mashed. And I like to just mash them with my fingers. You can use a potato masher or whatever you want to, but when I work with my hands, it feels like I do better about the mashing. Just mash those up good. Make sure they're ripe. Next, we want to add 1/3 cup of melted butter. And 1 egg that's been beaten. And be careful about this part right here, your melted butter. Don't put it in there hot because when you put your egg in, your egg will start to cook. So make sure your butter's not hot. Let it cool off a little bit if you've just softened it. Okay, and we want to do a teaspoon of vanilla. I like to add a little more than a teaspoon because I like vanilla. So there's 1 teaspoon and blah, there you go. That'll work. Okay, the next ingredient is a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of baking powder. And we'll go ahead and stir that up. Okay, next we want to add a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And 1 1/2 cups. No, this is 1 cup. 1 cup of pecans. And stir that up. And then we add 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. And just stir that up until it's well blended. Also, we add 3/4 cup of sugar. Just blend that really good. After we get it good and blended, we're going to pour it into a loaf pan that has been sprayed with non-stick cooking spray. And you want your oven to be preheated at 350 degrees. And we're going to let this bake for about an hour, just depending on how your oven bakes, until it's done. We'll be right back. After baking in the oven for 1 hour, this is what we've got. Look how pretty that loaf is. Isn't that pretty? Now all we need is a big old glass of milk or a cup of coffee. Thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you soon.